Well, let's make the best of it. There it is. All right. Whew. That was barely. Nothing special, but it's the ball rolling. First fish of the day, hopefully not the last. That slightly unexpected. Whew. Barely hooked. Stop. Fish number 2. I will take 2 fish by. I will take 2 fish by that time. Get in here. Oh, you're a little guy, but you're a limit. The biggest tourney of the year. So I don't care. Limit accomplished, but probably got to replace all three. Tournament. Let's get in that limit. Now everything else is an opportunity. Got a 14, two 14s, and essentially a 16. Now, I don't think any of those are going to be good enough. So I'm pretty much going to have to catch. All the grass back that way, all dead, and there's turnover over there.
Yeah, the clear grass I found right in the middle, and I found some nice fish, but they wouldn't bite.
I saw probably 5 or 6 bass. They wouldn't bite either. I mean, one of them was literally sitting here, and it didn't move. It just looked at.
I've lost several. They were small, except for the one. The one was good, but it hung up in that thick grass over on that edge.
Well, that way, I'm not kidding you, it's turned over since this morning. Like, it was clear when we launched, and then it's like this. There's dead fish right there.
I've landed 3 underswash.
Wow.
Got any on the board?
Yeah. It's like a salt fork limit. Not good.
I know Aaron got a good one in the first thing in the morning.
Of course. I don't even see him. Where'd he go?
He was in the grass when he left. It looks like Michael's in there right now.
I've seen just about everybody over here at one point. I haven't seen anyone else actually catch a fish. It might be 16. It's like 15 3/4.
Basically, you caught fish like we did 2 weeks ago.
No, smaller. My other two are 14 inches. Like last 2 weeks ago, I probably had 48 inches. I would imagine.
Yeah, mine averaged out to around 14, 15.
Yeah. I think I got 44.25 right now. Well, that'll do it. Last kayak video of the year. And that brought a wrap to my season. I finished second in AOY points. I was pretty happy with the result, but part of the reason I've kind of put this video off from making was I had higher aspirations to win AOY, but I just kind of finished the season pretty weak. And that's okay. I did better than I ever had and won a few tournaments, so I'm pretty happy with the season overall. Thanks for tuning in, and look forward to some more content coming up soon.